Hey people, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. So today we will be discussing how to make this part in PTC Creo parametric. So I shall go up with drawing study. So first I need to draw from the base. So it is starting in this front view. So the outer circle is R31 and either side circles is R16, offsetted at a distance of 68, and its thickness is actually 15. So going for the new file, uncheck this box and go for MMNS Part Solid ABS. Now I'm going to select the top view, go to extrude, and now I'm going to draw the bigger circle. Now go for a smaller one, and here equal. Now draw the center line, make this as symmetric, go for symmetric, this and this are symmetric. So now I need to change the dimensions. This is actually 31 into 2. This is 16 into 2, and distance is 68. Go for a line tangent. So this is extruded up to 15. Okay. Now I need to draw this part. The second part, which is like spherical, like 3D. So for that, the data is given here. This is R20, and this circle is offsetted from the base reference as 42 offset distance. So I shall select this front plane, go for revolve and make to 2D, change the V to hidden line. Now I'm going to draw the 3D center line and 2D center line here, and its distance is 42. Now draw a circle 40 in dia, change the line. I'm going to draw here, connecting all the way down. Now this profile is not needed actually, and I'm going to draw only half the profile, sorry. So since this is revolve, of the profile is more than enough, so go for extrude, put here 360 degree. Actually it's by default, so click OK. Now I need to make a hole here, and this is R20, which means R10 at same distance 42. So I'm going for once again with front plane, going for revolve, and here I'm going to take this as my reference. I'm going to draw a circle here of 20 in diameter and draw a line all the way down. Since this is going to remove the material, you need not worry about the dimension, the length dimension. So go for delete segment, so delete all the things and remove material. So before I need to place I forget to place the 3D center line, or else it will not work, so I have removed it. Yes, so this is the diagram, and sorry, this is the design, and you can find the slot here, and its distance is 32, and the circle's distance here is R6. So I need to select once again front, go for extrude option, so draw a circle 6 into 12. Draw a line. So delete this segment, go for extrude, select symmetric, remove the material, so you'll be getting this part. So my part is almost ready except the hole, so I'm going for an hole. Actually the hole is perpendicular to the slot, so the hole's dia is 10 and its distance is somewhat, yeah, 42, same 42. So I'm going to take this right plane, so go for extrude, change this view to hidden line, reference as this circle and this line. So draw a circle of of dia 10. Since you can find this in symmetric way, so go for symmetric option. Since the hole, can go for symmetric option. Just drag this ball, go for remove material. So my part is ready. Now I need to make a hole here, so go for an hole, place it here, drag this clip to this right plane and this to here. So go for a placement, so this can be aligned to 0, so it comes 0 to 0 position, and here offset distance is 68, of which is 34. Okay, 34. And go for a shape. Actually this is 12 in diameter and it is through, so I'm going to select it up to this surface, and this is 12, no problem, it is already selected. Click OK. So this is actually in selected mode, so go for 3D mirror, select this right plane and click OK. So my palette is ready. Now go for view, change this diamond view, go for part and change the color. So kindly do subscribe my channel for complex designs, and thank you very much.